Professor Gleich, and I will be your instructor for Social Work 6381, Social Work Practice 2 Group Work. Each week I will be doing a vlog like this one, going over the expectations for that week's class. In addition, in Classroom News and Announcements, I'll be writing a post about the expectations for each week as well. So before we get started, I'd like to show you the textbook that we are going to be utilizing throughout class. It's called An Introduction to Group Work. It's the 8th edition, and the authors are Toslin and Rivas. We'll be utilizing this textbook each and every week. In addition, we'll be utilizing other supplemental resources such as journal articles. We may be utilizing videos, or at times you may have to fill out an assessment. So in week 1, we're going to go over chapters 1, 2, and 3 in our textbook. Chapter 1 is an introduction to group work. Chapter 2 is historical developments. And chapter 3 is understanding group dynamics. In addition, each week there will be PowerPoints to supplement the reading. So this week you'll go over chapters 1, 2, and 3 PowerPoints to supplement the reading. In addition, there's the AASWG Standards for Social Work Practice with Groups that you should look over. And then 2 articles, Getting My Feet Wet in Group Work and A Good Group Runs Itself and Other Myths. You'll utilize both of these articles in week 1 discussion forum number 1. So let's get to the assignments this week. The first one is a discussion forum. Each week you'll have a discussion forum. You'll respond with your initial post on Wednesday by 11:55 p.m. And then the expectation will be to respond to other students' posts by Sunday at 11:55 p.m. Each week we'll have instruction on how many additional students' posts you'll need to respond to. So for week 1, discussion forum number 1 is our introductions. So the introductions say, please read the 2 articles from the new social worker, Getting My Feet Wet in Group Work, and A Good Group Runs Itself and Other Myths. Think about your previous experience being part of a group. We've all been involved in groups. Groups can be family members, social groups, school groups, treatment groups, sibling groups, etc. Share 2 experiences that you've had in groups that are memorable to you. Perhaps it was an amazing team building experience, or a challenging conflict, or even an experience of misreading cues from other group members. You get to choose if you want to share serious, embarrassing, funny, empowering, emotional, or other types of experiences. What impacts did these experiences have on you? Your initial post should be 300 words, and it will be due by Wednesday at 11:55 p.m. This week, you'll respond to 2 other learners' posts with a minimum of 100 words by Sunday at 11:55 p.m. In addition to our discussion forum, which is worth 5 points each week, we will have our week 1 assignment. This will also be worth 5 points. It is called a case study. You'll read the case study and you'll respond to 6 questions about the case study. This will be due on Sunday, January 13th by 11:55 p.m. If you have any questions each week, I can be reached at lgleich, which is Gleich at aurora.edu. You can call or text me on my cell phone, which is area code 847-833-2907, or we can meet in an Adobe Connect chat room or on FaceTime. Thank you so much, and I hope we have a wonderful class.